Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add bits stamp in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and select here Organize option. Now select bits numbering and select Add bits numbering and select Add files. You can add new file, open folder. Let's add open files, this file. Now select add files and select OK. And this bits number will be selected and click on this insert option. This is bits numbering option. You can increase decrease the bits numbering digit. I'll put it 4 number digit, and you can start number 2 or 1, and this increment. This is rotation angle, you can rotate, and you can add prefix or suffix. I'll add prefix s and suffix m. Now click on this OK and see this. This bits number left header, and you go here and select here and insert. Store name, this number 4 and select OK and see this. And this is margin. You can see this margin top bottom with this, and this pages. You can add custom pages or all pages, and this is its number, font style, and its font size. See this and its color. Now select OK and see this bits number now inserted all of these pages. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.